In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove an SSH key from GitHub. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Alright, so let's get started. First things first, you'll need to log in to your GitHub account. Open your preferred web browser, whether it's Chrome, Firefox, or Safari, and navigate to the GitHub website. Once you're on the home page, find the Sign In button and enter your credentials to access your account. After you're logged in, look towards the top right corner of the page. You'll see your profile picture there. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Settings. This will take you to your account settings where you can manage various aspects of your GitHub profile. Once you're in the Settings menu, take a look at the left sidebar. You're going to want to scroll down a bit until you find an option labeled SSH and GPG keys. Click on that. This section is where all your SSH keys are managed, and you'll see a list displaying all the keys currently associated with your GitHub account. Now, with the list in front of you, it's time to locate the specific SSH key that you want to remove. Each key will have a title next to it, which typically includes the name of the machine or a description of the key itself. Take your time to find the right one, as deleting the wrong key can cause issues with accessing your repositories. Once you've found the SSH key that you want to delete, look to the right side of that entry. You should see a Delete button. Go ahead and click on that button. A confirmation box will pop up to ensure that you really want to delete this key. It's a good reminder to double-check that you're removing the correct one. If everything looks good, simply click to confirm, and just like that, your SSH key will be removed from your GitHub account. And there you have it. You've successfully removed an SSH key from GitHub. This can be especially useful if you're changing devices or simply no longer need a specific key for security reasons. Maintaining the right SSH keys ensures that your GitHub account remains secure and functional. If you have any questions about this process or run into any problems, feel free to leave a comment below. I'm here to help. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this guide easy to follow. Remember, keeping your SSH keys organized is key to managing your GitHub integration smoothly. Until next time, take care and